Welcome to this video, everybody. On this one, we are going to replace the Breakaway battery. It's going to be very simple, and we're going to replace the Breakaway cable. These are safety features on all your trailers. The trailers with electric brakes, what happens is if your trailer actually breaks off your truck for whatever reason, what happens is that pulls a switch, activates 12 volts to all four brakes, electric brakes. If you have a question how electric brakes work on a trailer, see my other video. But there's a 12-volt battery in here, and now that will lock, or supposed to lock, all four wheels on your trailer, so the trailer doesn't pass you on the highway like you see on some videos. The boat is passing people. So the boats don't have electric. I don't believe they don't have electric. I think they have surge brakes. So those are going to be completely different. So anyways, I got new cables. This one broke. This one had broke a while back. So I'm going to replace them on this one and the battery. They're going to be quick, simple, but they're two different configurations there in the box. And then I'm going to replace the enclosed trailer one. So this one and enclosed trailer one will be done today. And then once I get my dump trailer back from my cousin who is using it, I'm going to replace the battery and breakaway cable on that also. So let's go over the new parts that I got over on the trailer right over on the side here. So for the new parts, I just got the cheapest battery I could find on Amazon. It's one of the cheapest. And it has a black and a red terminal. Obviously the black's labeled. So this should be a 12-volt battery, 12 volt, 5 amp hours. To test to make sure it has a charge on it before we put it in there, put my multimeter on it. Should be able to see that, red to red. Hold on. Red to red, black to black. And I got 12.71. And obviously, if you're not familiar with how multimeters work, see that line right there? You got the V for volt, and you have a solid line and 3 dots. That's going to be battery or direct current. The V on this side with the wave line, the single wave line up on top, if you can see that, that's going to be for AC, alternating current. So this is basically for your house, your 200 and 600. And then this is for batteries, depending on what voltage it is. You pick one that's higher. I could even put it on the 200, and it would still do the 12. So I guess it's a little bit more accurate. You can see the decimal point changes. It's only 1 decimal point. That has 2 decimal points. That has 3 decimal points. So it's a little more accurate. Depending, you get it as close as you can, obviously. So I know I have 12-volt battery, so 20 is the closest over 12. So I'll show you again real quick. You should be able to see that readout right there. Red to red, black to black. And I got 12.71. So I got 2 batteries. 2 different trailers I'm going to do. So while I have the meter out, let's check this one. Red to red, black to black. And that's 12.7. So good to go. Turn this off, save the batteries inside the meter. And I ended up getting these cables. Hopefully they work. They come in 4 foot and 6 foot. I do believe I got 4 footers. I don't think I got the 6 foot. Yeah, 4 foot. So we'll see how they work. This is nice because this is the part that clips onto your truck. And this part here goes on the handle. So this will go on the part of your truck, not the trailer hitch. This would go on your frame somewhere or your bumper. And then this here goes on that little plastic hook, the plastic switch. So let's go back to the trailer, we're on the trailer. So let's go back to the front of the trailer and open up the box. See what tools we're gonna need. I'm gonna bring this stuff with us. Before we get started on replacing the trailer, if you hear in the background a bunch of running water, let me show you what that is, just so you know what it is. So the other day I moved one of my fountains there, and it's solar powered. So that's the water pouring out of it. Solar panel's right there. I will be dismantling it and resetting it. I just put it there temporarily. I have to use the excavator to move the parts. They're really heavy. But that's the running water that you hear. And it's quite a distance away, as you can see. So let's get back started with the trailer here. Hey, look, a buddy. So it looks like one screw rotted out, and it's going to be Phillips. Actually, two screws rotted out, broke off over the years. So looks like I'm going to have to order a whole new box now. But for now, this will work just to get it safe. And I'll get one with stainless steel screws. So here's the battery. So let's see. Now, like I said, this is 20 years old, and I've never messed with this trailer. Never messed with this battery. I have a feeling there's nothing left. And I was right. There's 0.42 volts left in this battery. And these are spill-proof batteries, so they can go in any direction. You can get them right on Amazon. They mail them to you. So green is negative, blue is hot. And they say to obviously recharge them. So eventually I am going to do like a solar panel on this. I really should get that water out of there. There's some water in there. Let me go get some paper towels. So I got paper towels. So I don't know if I mentioned, but I got a mic for my shirt microphone. We're going to see if I can start fixing my audio problems in my recordings. So sorry if this audio is messed up. It's a learning process of how to adjust everything properly. All right, so there is a drain hole in the bottom there. It's just that the angle the trailer is on wasn't working. So positive, negative, labeled right there. Let me shut this off and get this out of my way. And blue went to that side. Green went to that side. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a new box. Or should buy a new box. Wish I paid attention before I ordered the new batteries. We've gotten a whole package of them. All right, so that one's in. That one's in. That's all there is to replacing that battery. So now it's a matter of getting this steel cable. Broken one. I hope this is going to be long enough. Yeah, it'll be long enough. I should probably yank that out before I cut the cable off. Would have made this part easier. All right. Oh, that looks much better. Much better. And now when I'm not using the trailer, I can actually, yep, I can hang it right there. Not bad. So now the way this works is hook up my trailer to the truck, take this, clip it, and then if the trailer ever breaks off of the truck, this will pull out. This should be in line like that. So now it pulls right out, and like right now the brakes are activated, and that disengages them. So that should be good. As long as everything's wired right, which I never messed with, should be good. Let's go do the other trailer. So now we're gonna do the enclosed trailer. Different battery boxes, you can see, different style. It's a newer trailer. Same breakaway switch style. So let's get this one done. So the enclosed trailer is done. So that's 2 out of 3 of my trailers that are repaired. Well, I replaced the batteries on. So thanks for watching this video. Just all we did was, it was a very quick, easy video. Anybody can really do it. You don't need a YouTube video to show you how to do it, I don't think. But just in case you do, replace those batteries on emergency breakaways on your trailers. They're little 12 volts, it's very inexpensive. And if you get in an accident and those are not working, I'm quite sure you can get a lot more trouble. So if you have any questions how electric trailer brakes work, check out my video on, actually I think I have 2 different ones that touch electric trailer brakes, but one of them actually inspect and replace them and adjust them. It's a pretty long video, but I did my dump trailer, which is not actually here right now. So if you have any questions how they work or just curiosity, go ahead and look in that video and it'll explain everything. Thanks for watching.